Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to remove a green screen background in Canva. Whether we're working on a video or an image, we will walk you through the simple steps to remove the background and make the subject stand out. On our Canva dashboard, here is our project. To remove the green background, all we need to do is click on our project. Then we click the background remover. Please note that this feature is only available with a business or pro plan. It will only work once we have one of these premium plans on Canva. Canva will then automatically remove the background from our project and make it transparent. That's how we can remove a green screen background in Canva. With just a few simple clicks, we can achieve a clean, professional look. Key result: